sinasabi ko, you should be using time management properly. Kasi ang focus, ito nangyayari ngayon kapag taghirap. Ang focus natin ay yung nearing the end, yung makaklose na natin. What we call the low-hanging fruits, di ba? Anong madali makaklose dyan? Yung madali makabenta ko. Yun ang focus. Crisis eh. I can't blame you. I don't blame you. But I'm telling you, yun din yung focus ng mga kalaban mo. So, ang dami nagagawan dun sa low-hanging fruit. I'm not saying na don't go for the low-hanging fruit. All I'm saying is that it's gonna be war there. It's gonna be red ocean. Talagang patayan dyan. Now, what you need to do is to expand your horizon. Yes, andyan, lalaban pa rin ako dyan. Pero unahan ko na kayo, meron akong naka-line up na iba pang sources ko of sales. Kasi whatever happens, the targets need to be met.